Hi, my name is Rob. Welcome to the first video in the Your Success Blog video series. For this first video today, we're just going to explain how you can start setting up your own blog to start making money online. Now, this blog right here, this is just a quick example, of what your blog is going to look like. As you can see, you got multiple posts. You have your about me pages, all categories, all these other things. So the first step is if you don't already have a domain, then you're going to want to, first you have to buy a domain and a hosting package for it. So to do that, we're going to go to hostgator.com. From here, you can see here we go. For domains, you just click on over here where it says domains at the top, and you're going to want to register your domain name. Now, for this video example, I'm just going to do just a quick one. We'll say demosuccessblog.com. So you'll click on search. It'll see if that is already available or already taken, or if it's available right now. Might take it a minute. All right, so Demo Success Blog is available, so we're going to add that to our cart. Just click on that. All right. Now you're going to need hosting. So for your hosting, what you want to do is go up here, go down to actually you can just click it here and it'll take you to. Looks like maybe it won't. All right, so we'll just go to web hosting. If you scroll down, you can see just their hatchling plan. It's 20% off. You get a single domain that you can host. Now, if you're going to be running multiple sites, then obviously you're going to want to get a larger plan. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose 1 month. So sign up. Not sure what happened there. All right, so we'll punch this in again, demosuccessblog.com. Choose your extension. Choose your, once everything pops up, you can add different extensions if you want, but we're not going to do that for this first video. All right, so down here, select your plan, 1 month. Well, obviously you're going to want a bigger hosting package, but for this example, we're just going to do one. Pick a username. So we'll let's see. We'll just put Demo Success Blog. Oh wait, that's not going to fit. So we'll just do Demo Success. Down here, you're going to want to create a security pin. And I will be blurring this out in the video. Actually, I'll just go ahead and pause this real quick. All right, now that I have already completed that, for this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this website and just generate a fake name, since the this is just being used for a demo. So looks like the name John William. All right, so John William. Go back over here. Looks like he lives at this address, so we'll just put this in. Looks like that is in Kansas. Where is it? All right. Zip code. All right. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to see a list of additional services, such as your domain privacy. What that does is it hides your who is information for the domain registration. So uh, you should probably go ahead and add that to your order. For this, I'm not going to be doing that though. Uh, yeah. Then there's another list of options down here to choose from. Just select anything that you want to add. Now, when you get to the coupon code, if you put in the coupon code 1 cent save and then click on validate, you'll see that actually makes your hosting plan, it's only 1 penny for the first month, and then after that it goes up to the regular charge. So definitely use that code. You're going to save a lot of money. It's 1 cent save. All right. So as you can see, excuse me, we have the domain registration and 1 month of hosting for just $12.96. You're going to want to click here saying that you've read and agreed to the terms of service, blah, blah, blah. All right. So I'm going to pause this while I check out and complete the purchase, and I will resume as soon as I'm finished. All right. Now, once you complete your purchase, you're going to want to go to your settings and set up a password for your account. Click right here where it says Actions and go to Reset Password. Now, once you do that, you can go down up here where it says My Account, go to Packages, and you will see your login link right here. So just click on that, and that will take you to your cPanel login, and then you just log in there with your username and password. All right. So anyway, this is your cPanel. From here, what you're going to want to do is right here where it says WordPress hosting, just click on Install Now. You just want the free option, unless anything down here is anything that you are going to want. But once again, for this video series, we're just going to be using all the cheap options just to show you how everything works. So click on Install WordPress, fill out all of the info down here, select your website. All right. For the install path, just leave that blank. All right, let me pause this while I go ahead and put this info in real quick. All right, now once you click on your install, this window is going to pop up, say that it's setting it up. I'm just going to close out of that. Log into here if you're currently logged out. It for me it automatically sees that I'm logged in. And from my account, click on My Installs, scroll down, and right here, where it says Admin Login, if you click on that, that's going to take you to the admin login page for your WordPress blog itself. Now, if you have not done this already, then obviously you need to go back and do the reset password or set up your WordPress password. Just to make this video shorter, I've already got the info saved in my browser. All right, so once you do that, you just click login, and this is your WordPress dashboard. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is change your theme. A lot of people seem to like this 2016 theme, but I'm not a fan. So I'm going to go to Appearance, Themes, and from here you can delete your themes, you can customize your themes, you can add new themes. I am going to click on Add New Theme. Up here, go to Search Themes, and the one I like to use is Omega. Just this first simple one right here. Alright, so just click on Install. You can see that it automatically downloads it, unpacks it, installs the theme, and yeah, then you're going to want to click on Activate. Alright, So now that you've activated your new theme, you can go here and you can visit the site. And this is, this is how it looks so far. Just a brand new blog. You got your theme installed. So if you mouse over up here, you can go back to your dashboard, and you can go back to themes. Now, if you want to delete a theme, this is where you delete it from. You just click on one and go down to delete. So it's not really necessary to delete them, but just in case you decide to mess around with some more themes and you start running out of space, it's good to know. All right, so go back to the dashboard. Now, the next thing that you want to do is go to the settings, fix your tagline right here, explain what the site's about. This website is a demo. All right. Oh, and right here, the reason that is blurred out is it's got my personal info there. Yeah, you're gonna want to save changes, and then down in permalinks. All right, so once you get on the permalink settings page, as you can see, it's currently set up to just display the day and the name. For SEO reasons, I like to just have it do the post name, so we'll just change it to post name. All right, and now you can see that it's updated. All right, so the next thing you're going to need, every blog has to have one, is a logo. Something that will set you apart from the other billions of blogs out there. So you can either go to onlinelogomaker.com. You can make your own logo on here, or could always go to a website like Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and as you can see on here, you can get professional style graphics, blog logo, and you have plenty of people to choose from. They will actually design a professional logo for you for just $5. So let's go back to your WordPress login, your dashboard. And in case your browser does not automatically save it like that, to get to your dashboard, it's just yoururl.com/wp-admin, and that will take you to either your dashboard or the login page if you are not still logged in. Now that you're back at the dashboard, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to post, see all the posts on here, and you want to get rid of these quick hello world posts. That's just it's trash. Okay, once you get rid of the test post on there, you're going to want to make a new post. So go down to add new, click on that, and for the demo, I have a couple of pre-written ones to make things faster. So here's one. That'll be your post title, and you'll see it'll automatically convert your URL to some that is more SEO friendly. So for the text of the post, already set up, and it's just one of that those blind text generators, the filler text. All right, so once you have your post written up, you can either save the draft, preview it, move it to the trash. Over here, you can select the categories to place it in. If you don't have any, or if you don't want to place it in one, you can just select uncategorized. Or if you want to add a category, you just click here. This one will be different ways to make money online. If you want to add media, photos, videos, anything like that, you can insert from a URL. Just put the URL here. If you want to use an image from your gallery, or if you want to use multiple, then you can select them all here. Go to create new gallery. Again, you can change the title, the caption, alt text, and the description. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to exit out of that. Now down here you can bold. If you're going to have headers, you can alright, down here you can set a featured image. If obviously you're not going to have any since this is your first post, so you can select them or drag and drop. We're just going to use some examples. I already have this one pre-saved, but that is how you upload them, and then you just check or uncheck whichever featured image you want. You can add a title to the image, you can add a caption, you can add alt text, which is it basically when you mouse over the image, the alt text is what is going to pop up. I'm not going to do any of that for this. Then you just click on set featured image, change change all that. If you want to add text color, you can select it here, or you can make a custom one. If you need to underline, justify, paste, like say you have a link that you want to paste as text, clear formatting, like if some of this is already bolded and you just want to clear the formatting, then that'll remove all that. This will undo, this will redo, this will increase and decrease your indent for your paragraph and all of that good things. Up here, if you want to, like let's say this is some of your text, you want to make it into a clickable link, you put your URL right here. You can have it so it will open a link in a new tab, or you can link to existing content on your site. I'm not going to do that, just showing you that it's possible. Alright, so that covers everything for the ways to make your first post and all of your other posts, and how to customize them. You can see everything over here in just a plain text version, and if you have formatting, then the visual right here will show you how it's going to look on your site. Alright, so moving on. So once you have the image, you can just scroll back up, go to publish, and it is instantly published to your blog. Alright, so you've made your first post. Now we're going to go down to the pages. You can do the same thing for the pages. It has a sample page built in. You're going to want to throw that in the trash, get rid of it. Alright, and then when you want to add a new page, it's basically the same exact process as adding a post. Alright, so we have our page. We'll get our sample text. Obviously, you're going to want to write your post here, or if you already have it written down, then it's as simple as copy and paste. But yeah, over here, page attributes, if you want it to display first in line, since this is the first page so far, we're not going to need that. Alright, so if you want to do a featured image, I don't really like that image, so we'll go to this one. Again, you can change the title, the caption, the alt text, set featured image, and it's there. Then you're going to want to go to publish. Now, to make an About Me page, now that we have another page that we have added to the site already, to make a new About Me page, just go down to your pages, add new, label it About Me, and down here you just fill in some info about yourself, your blog, what sort of things you're going to blog about, and for the order, you're going to want to, well, if you want it to be towards the end of your website, then you're going to want to order it last. The higher the number, the further down the list it's going to be. Not many people like to have their About Me page as the first thing people see. So get my filler text right here. This is about me. This is all that, and we'll order this one. Publish. page published. You can view it, and as you can see up here, as you add more pages, your About Me is going to be at the end. Alright, so going back to your dashboard. Alright, next thing I'm going to show you how to do is set up a plugin. You can go down here, click on Plugins, and Akismet, this automatically comes with WordPress. It's basically it's a plugin that is going to protect your blog from comment spam. A lot of times people will use computer programs and bots to spam people's millions of people's blogs with links back to their own site. So this Akismet plugin will protect you from that. Hello Dolly, I am not a fan of this plugin. It shows you a random lyric from Hello Dolly in the admin screen on every page. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna delete it. Yes, delete these files. And that is how you can delete a plugin. Alright, once you click on activate, this is going to pop up, and you're going to have to follow this link and set up a Akismet account. Now, I'm not going to do that, but obviously if you want to use that plugin, you're going to have to do that. Now, if you want to add a new plugin, then you can go up here, click on New, and from here you can either browse all of these that you can choose from, or you can upload one if you've downloaded one from somewhere. If you do, they're always going to be in a zip folder format, but if you have those, you can install them here. We'll just go back. Alright, you can browse by featured, popular, recommended, favorites, or you can search by name. So for this plugin, we are going to get a Contact Us plugin, because believe it or not, WordPress does not have one that already comes with the installation. So we're going to select that. You can just go down here, click on Install Now, and it's going to do all of that for you. Now, make sure you activate that plugin. If you want to edit your contact information, click right here. This is blurred out because that is my my personal info, but as always, make sure you scroll down, and if you want, you can sign up and enable your reCAPTCHA to make people have to fill one of those out in order to contact you. If you do, it'll give you a private and a public key, and as always, make sure you click on Save Changes down here. Again, everything is blurred out because it has some of my personal info. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a menu at the top of your blog. If you go to Appearance, go down to Menus. Alright, now in Menus, what you're going to want to do first, go down where it says Theme Locations, select Primary. After that, click on Save Menu. So far, this is your menu up here. Now, you can add pages to your menu. You can add posts from your blog. So if you want to add to your menu, you can add pages from your blog. You can search, you can view them, most recent. You can select a few, add to menu, and you'll see they pop up down here. This one is a duplicate, so we'll just get rid of that. Alright, now you can do the same thing with your posts. Add to menu. You can also do the same thing with a custom link. Now before I do that, here we'll go over here, click on one, and just to show you that, oh wait, I haven't. Alright, let me save it real quick. Alright, save, and then refresh, and you can see they're all added to the top of your menu. Now that doing it that way, it's going to get really cluttered up really fast. So what you can do now, first let me show you the custom links and categories. You can also add those to your menu. Just select it, add to menu, and so on. Now if you want to add a custom link, let's say you want Facebook. For some reason you want to link to Facebook on there. Then you can add that to the menu, save menu, and when you go back, you can see now it has that link to Facebook. So, alright, we're going to remove this. Alright, now that can get cluttered up pretty quickly. So what you can do, like let's say you want these three, or any, we want these four. Well, that one's a duplicate too, so we'll just get rid of that as well. Alright, let's say you want these three to be in their own little drop-down menu. What you can do, go to Custom Links, replace URL with the number sign, and then for your link text, categories, for example, if you want it to be categories. And then you can drag and drop these to be child categories, or child drop-down menus. Here, save menu. Go and refresh the blog, and now you have a drop-down menu. So that's really good thing to be able to do. All right, now I'm going to show you how you can remove the category from the URL using a plugin. So we'll go back to our plugins, go to Add New. Up here, search for a plugin that says Remove Category. That's the name of it. It's this first one that'll pop up right here, Remove Category URL. This is going to remove the category part from your permalinks. So install, activate. Alright, now that you have your Remove Category URL plugin installed and activated, while we're already in here in the plugins, let's go ahead and get a widget called Site Origin Widgets Bundle. Now, obviously it's not installed yet, so you're going to want to go to Add New, search Plugins for Site Origin Widgets Bundle, and install that. Once again, make sure you activate the plugin. The Site Origin Widgets Bundle, here, I'll show you. You can add buttons, you can have call to action, contact forms, although you don't need that since the plugin that we have already installed, I actually like that a little bit better. You have an editor where you can adjust your HTML, pictures, stuff like that, images, headlines. You can have an image slider, anything that you want. Pretty much. It's all here in one simple to use widget. It'll also let you actually rearrange things on your main page as well. If you go to Appearance, you go down to Widgets, you see you have all this down here. Let's say we want to add a calendar at the top right here, and we want to delete the search bar. Click on Save, refresh, and you now have a calendar. Let's say you don't like your calendar anymore and you want to replace it with, we'll say, a tag cloud. You can do that. Choose which you want, save. There's not going to be that big of a word cloud on here since there's not many tags, but you get the idea. Same goes for categories. You can make a custom menu, pages, archives. You can, keep in mind you can remove all of these that are on your page as well using these. Oh wait, before I move on, seeing all these scrolling through, there is one plugin that I forgot to recommend. It's by getsocial.io. So let me go back to the plugins real quick. You're definitely going to want to get this one. Alright, go up to Add New. And this one is by getsocial.io. It's called, excuse me, Share Buttons and Tools to Grow Traffic. Look for the one by Get Social right here. Click on Install Now. Now, when you install the plugin, you're going to see this pop up. It'll go through a quick install and use video, explaining that. Just activate your account and go through the process, and you'll be able to integrate that into your blog. The next plugin that you want to get, well, first you have to go back to Add New, get the Facebook widget, install that, and then one more, social widget. Search for that, get this. Alright, now that you've got your plugins installed, what we're going to do is go back to Appearance, go to Widgets, and you can add your Facebook page-like widget. You can add, this is obviously you're going to want to replace this info with your actual page, info. Alright, but you can save all this, and you have your Facebook-like widget right here. Down here, you have your social widget. Just drag and drop that. You can put that up there at the top too if you want. Put it at the bottom, wherever you like. You can enter your Facebook page URL, Twitter username, enter, Google recommended, any of these settings that you want. Click on Save, and it'll do that. There would be, follow this Twitter username, Google Plus, Facebook, things like that. Alright, so going back over to your widgets, anything else that you want to add, just drag and drop. It's as simple as that. One more thing that I want to show you about in this video before we wrap it up is how to change your home page. I'm pretty sure we covered it before, but just in case, we'll go back to it. Go down to Settings, go to Reading. If you want a static page to be your, like say you want your About Me to be the home page, right now if you just click on Home, it takes you here, it shows the latest post. If you change this, say you want your front page to be the About Me, save changes, and if you refresh, you can see your About Me page is now your home page. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Congratulations, you have just successfully set up your first blog. In the next video, I'll go into a little bit of detail on how you can start making money from your blog and different ways that you are able to monetize it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.